Okay, we are looking at the Miami Airport Miami Airport East Industrial Submarket, where we have 530 properties, 24 of which are actively for sale, 8 that have closed in the last 3 months. On the leasing side, we have 70 spaces that are actively out there for lease, 17 which have been signed in the last 3 months. As far as the dollar per square foot on leasing, we're at $21.96 a square foot. That is up slightly, just almost 3%, just not quite 3%. The trend line on this one is that the asking rent is just below whatever the market rents are doing right now. As far as the months to lease, we're at about 5 to 6 months. So if you are coming as a landlord, you've got a lease that's coming due, you might want to start reaching out and getting that space on the market sooner rather than later, so your gap or your vacancy is a little bit less. As far as dollar per square foot on the sale, it is at $276 a square foot. That one is up just under 6% at 5.9. Again, the trend is that is going to extend. The flat line of pricing is going to stay flat for probably till the end of the third quarter, and then to continue to rise. Again, the average over the last year has been just under 6%. As far as the star rating, the small bay stuff, the orange line, is the one that has been capturing the highest dollar per square foot, where I think that is the norm, what we normally see. On the cap rates, we are at 6%. It has been flat for a while. The expectation is that as soon as those prices start to go up, those cap rates will come down. For the investors, we know that the bulk of those trades are anywhere between 4 and 8%. So you can expect to get some decent investments out there if you're still looking. On the cap rate for the mid-cap, the mid-sized properties, those are probably the ones that are performing the best out there right now. The last thing to notice is that 37 properties that were on the market or that actually sold last year, only 15 of them went on the market. And as we all know, properties that sell by owner tend to sell for about 20 to 25% less than what the market rate is calling for. So if you are thinking of selling, reach out to us. We can get you a valuation. We can also show you how to get the most for your property.